Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me TCL Tab 10, and now I'm gonna show you how to resolve the problem when screen on this device is not responding. So if your screen stopped to respond after you have damaged the screen, unfortunately I can't help you into this. You need to get this device to the customer service. But in situation when just TCL OS is freezing, TCL UI is freezing, you just need to press together power and volume up buttons. Press and hold it together. Press and hold and wait. When you will see TCL logo on your screen, release both of keys and wait until you will see the recovery mode. In the recovery mode, you need to scroll down to click power off, then reboot your device, or just click reboot system now by clicking on power button and wait until your device reboots. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you!